Hey, Owen.
Finally, as the kids head back to school, this
Gosh.
video.
I hate this video so much.
It's a reminder of how quickly and far a germy sneeze can travel. So you can thank the scientists at MIT. They say the largest droplets settle within 3 to 6 feet.
Oh, gosh.
Those are the largest. The smaller ones might linger in the air for several minutes and can
Anyone want to
travel.
go sit on a plane together?
That's what I always get, that guy who sits right behind my
Well, it doesn't
head.
matter because the small ones travel up to 26 feet. So if he's
Great.
behind you or like in the
Thanks.
back of the plane, it doesn't matter. If your child has the sniffles, remind them to sneeze into their arm or why just the child? Apparently the guys on the
Everybody
plane too
needs
need
to.
it.
Yeah.
And wash your hands
I think
frequently.
adults can be just as bad as children.
Oh, for
Or
sure.
worse.
And, you know, exactly. But sometimes it's because you're so busy that you're not thinking about it. You know, take that second to,
It's just that.
do one of those cool moves, you know?
Yeah,
Whatever
It could
works.
be a dance move. Come on. Why not?
whatever works. Just don't get me sick.
Exactly.
Oy.
So it's a trickle effect. The whole family's sick.
I know.
Where's our gallon size of Purell? We had it here the other day for
Art's over
Haley.
there if you want.
We got to get up on that one.
Art.
Oh, he's keeping
But
it
if
for
you're
himself.
inhaling the, you know,
Yeah.
No, it's true.
True.
It doesn't-
if you're the
Sanitizer
one-
doesn't matter.
Good point. Good point.